Hey science enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we uncover the hidden wonders of the world around us. Have you ever wondered how something as harmless as a peanut can be used to make something as powerful as dynamite? It sounds unbelievable, right? Well, buckle up because today, I'm diving into the shocking truth behind this explosive connection. Get ready for a journey that will change the way you look at peanuts forever. First things first, let's talk about peanuts. These little legumes are more than just a tasty snack. Peanuts are packed with oil, specifically peanut oil. This oil is a versatile substance with a variety of uses. This oil is not just for making your favorite peanut butter. It has some fascinating industrial applications too. From cooking to cosmetics, peanut oil is a valuable commodity. One of those applications is in the production of glycerol. Glycerol is a sweet-tasting, non-toxic liquid that has a multitude of uses. Now you might be thinking, what's glycerol got to do with dynamite? Great question. The answer lies in the chemistry of explosives. Glycerol is a crucial ingredient in the making of nitroglycerin, which is the active explosive component in dynamite. Without glycerol, nitroglycerin wouldn't exist. Let me break it down for you. The process starts with peanut oil. When peanut oil undergoes a process called saponification, it produces glycerol as a byproduct. This is a key step in the journey from peanut to dynamite. Saponification is a fancy word for turning fats or oils into soap and alcohol by treating them with alkali. It's a common process in both industrial and home soap making. In this case, the peanut oil is treated and voila, you get glycerol. This glycerol is then purified and ready for the next step. Next up is the transformation of glycerol into nitroglycerin. This is where things get really interesting. This involves a chemical reaction where glycerol is nitrated with nitric acid and sulfuric acid. The result is nitroglycerin, a highly explosive compound. And there you have it, nitroglycerin, the powerful explosive used in dynamite. It's amazing how a simple peanut can lead to such a potent substance. Isn't it mind-blowing to think that something as simple as peanut oil can be a stepping stone to such a potent substance? But wait, there's more. The story of dynamite doesn't end here. Dynamite, invented by Alfred Nobel in the 19th century, was one of the most groundbreaking discoveries of its time. Nobel's invention changed the world in many ways. It revolutionized construction, mining, and even warfare. The ability to control explosions allowed for new possibilities in these fields. And to think, a humble peanut played a part in that legacy. It's a fascinating connection that shows how interconnected our world is. So, next time you munch on some peanuts, remember their hidden potential. These little legumes have a story to tell. Who knew that these little legumes could have such an explosive secret? It's a reminder that even the most ordinary things can have extraordinary uses. I've always wondered if dolphins have names, and it turns out they do. Or do they? You see, dolphins don't exactly have names like Steve or Jessica, but they have something equally fascinating. They use unique whistles to identify each other, almost like auditory name tags. But here's where it gets really interesting. These whistles aren't just simple sounds. They're complex, frequency-modulated signals that can last up to 2 seconds. Mind-blowing, right? Imagine you're at a party, and someone calls your name. You turn around, right? Well, dolphins do something eerily similar. When a dolphin hears its own whistle name, it responds. Dolphin mothers actually create these signature whistles for their babies soon after they're born. It's like giving your child a name, but instead of picking it from a baby book, you're composing a unique whistle tune. Talk about a creative baby shower gift, right? But here's a twist. Some scientists believe these whistles might encode information about the dolphin's physical characteristics or even its family history. Imagine if your name could tell others your height, weight, and family tree. Now you might be thinking, okay, dolphins have names, but so what? Well, these whistles are far more than just cute underwater noises. They're the foundation of dolphin social structure. Dolphins live in complex societies, and these names play a crucial role in their interactions. But what if I told you that dolphins can also learn and mimic each other's signature whistles? Imagine a group of dolphins as an underwater city. The whistles are like phone numbers, allowing dolphins to call out to specific individuals in their pod. This ability to address each other individually suggests a level of social cognition that's quite frankly astounding. It's almost as if they have their own underwater social network, minus the annoying ads and political arguments. But here's the kicker. Dolphins can also create temporary group signatures, like a shared team name.
Ever wondered how penguins show love? It's not through grand gestures or expensive gifts. They don't buy flowers or chocolates. They don't have fancy dinners or go on romantic getaways. They don't write poems or sing songs. Instead, they have a far more charming and unique way of expressing their love. Penguins express their love with pebbles. Yes, you heard that right, pebbles. Imagine this. A male penguin smitten with a female embarks on a quest. He doesn't just pick any pebble. He searches for the perfect one. He searches high and low, waddling across the icy plains, all to find the perfect pebble. This journey can take hours, even days. This isn't just any pebble. It has to be smooth, round, and just the right size. This pebble represents his heart, his devotion, his hope for a future together. It's a symbol of his commitment and love. Once he finds the perfect pebble, he approaches his beloved, his heart pounding like a drum solo. The moment is filled with anticipation. With a nervous gulp and a hopeful gleam in his eye, he offers the pebble to her. If she accepts, they become mates for life, sharing a bond as strong as the icy winds that surround them. Now you might be thinking, a pebble, that's it? But for penguins, this is no small gesture. It's a significant act that carries a lot of meaning. You see, pebbles are incredibly important in the penguin world. They are more than just stones. They are the building blocks of their homes. Penguins use pebbles to build their nests. These nests are meticulously constructed, one pebble at a time. These nests protect their eggs and chicks from the harsh elements. They provide warmth and safety in a cold, unforgiving environment. So when a male penguin offers a female a pebble, he's not just offering her a shiny rock. He's presenting her with a promise. He's offering her a home, a partnership, a future family. It's a gesture that signifies his dedication and love. It's a symbol of his commitment and his desire to build a life together. In the world of penguins, a pebble is the foundation of a lifelong bond. The female penguin carefully examines the pebble, turning it over with her beak and scrutinizing every angle. She's not just looking at its size or shape, but also its texture and weight. She's assessing the male's dedication, his resourcefulness, his potential as a mate. This pebble is more than just a stone. It's a symbol of his effort and commitment. If she accepts the pebble, it's a sign that she feels the same way. It's a mutual agreement, a promise of partnership. She sees in him a loyal partner, a devoted father, and a penguin with excellent taste in pebbles. This simple act of exchanging a pebble is laden with meaning. Together, they'll use the pebble to start building their nest, a testament to their love and commitment. Each pebble they add strengthens their bond and fortifies their future home. Year after year, they'll return to the same nesting site, adding more pebbles, strengthening their bond, and raising their chicks surrounded by the symbols of their enduring love. This cycle of life and love continues, a beautiful tradition passed down through generations. So, the next time you see a pebble, remember the penguins. Remember their simple yet profound way of expressing love. It's a reminder that sometimes the most meaningful gestures come from the heart, even if that heart belongs to a penguin carrying a pebble. Did you know that a single honeybee can visit up to 10,000 flowers in one day? That's an incredible feat for such a small creature. These tiny creatures are nature's tireless workers, buzzing from flower to flower, ensuring the pollination of countless plants. They play a crucial role in our ecosystem, supporting the growth of fruits, vegetables, and flowers. Honeybees are master architects, constructing intricate hives with perfect hexagonal cells. These structures are marvels of natural engineering. These cells serve as nurseries for their young and storage units for their precious honey, which sustains the colony. Their buzzing might be a common sound, but their impact on our world is extraordinary. They are vital to biodiversity. Honeybees are social insects, living in colonies with a strict hierarchy, each member playing a specific role. Thousands of worker bees tirelessly perform their tasks, guided by an incredible sense of community and cooperation. From cleaning and building to foraging for nectar, each bee contributes to the survival and success of the hive. This remarkable teamwork has allowed honeybees to thrive for millions of years, making them indispensable to our planet's health and our own well-being. Honeybees are essential pollinators, responsible for 1/3 of the food we eat. Their role in our ecosystem is irreplaceable. As they flit from flower to flower, they perform a crucial task. Collecting nectar, they transfer pollen grains, enabling plants to reproduce and thrive. This process is vital for the growth of fruits, vegetables, and nuts that make up a significant portion of our diet. Without it, many of our favorite foods would disappear. Without honeybees, our plates would be considerably emptier, lacking the variety and nutrition we often take for granted. Their contribution extends beyond our dinner plates, impacting the entire agricultural industry. Honeybees also pollinate crops that feed livestock, ensuring the production of meat and dairy products, which are essential for a balanced diet. Furthermore, their pollination activities support the growth of wildflowers, contributing to the beauty and biodiversity of our planet. These wildflowers provide habitats for other species. The survival of countless plant and animal species, including humans, hinges on the tireless work of these buzzing wonders. Their impact is truly immeasurable. Believe it or not, honeybees possess remarkable intelligence. Studies have shown that they can recognize human faces. They do this by identifying patterns and features, much like our own brains do. This incredible ability highlights their complex cognitive functions and challenges the perception of insects as simple-minded creatures. Their navigational skills are equally astounding. Honeybees use the sun as a compass and memorize landmarks to navigate long distances between their hives and food sources. They communicate the location of these sources to their hive mates through an intricate dance language, conveying distance, direction, and even the quality of the nectar found. Honey, the sweet reward of the honeybee's hard work, has been prized for centuries. This golden nectar is not just a treat for our taste buds, but a marvel of nature's engineering. This golden liquid is a natural sweetener packed with antioxidants and antibacterial properties. It has been used in traditional medicine and culinary practices across cultures. From soothing sore throats to boosting our immune systems, honey offers a myriad of health benefits. Its versatility makes it a staple in many households. It's a testament to the incredible alchemy of nature, transforming flower nectar into a liquid gold that nourishes both body and soul. The process is a delicate balance of nature's wonders. However, honeybee populations are facing threats from habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. These challenges put our sweet rewards at risk. It is our responsibility to protect these vital pollinators. By taking action, we can help ensure their survival and the continued production of honey. By planting bee-friendly flowers, supporting local beekeepers, and spreading awareness about their importance, we can all contribute to their survival. Every small effort counts. Let's ensure that the sweet hum of honeybees continues to enrich our planet for generations to come. Their survival is intertwined with our own well-being. Water is amazing. It's one of the most essential substances on Earth, and it has some truly magical properties that make it unique. It covers most of our planet, making up about 71% of the Earth's surface. Oceans, rivers, lakes, and even the ice caps are all part of this vast water network. It falls from the sky as rain, replenishing our water sources and sustaining life. Without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist. And it can do something really, really cool. Water can exist in 3 different states: solid, liquid, and gas. But there's more to it than that. Did you know water can boil and freeze at the same time? This phenomenon occurs under specific conditions and is a fascinating aspect of water's behavior. It sounds crazy, but it's true. It's not magic, though. It's science. This happens at a particular point known as the triple point. To understand how this works, we need to learn about something called the triple point of water. This is the unique condition where water can coexist in all 3 states simultaneously. The triple point of water is a special point where temperature and pressure are just right. At this point, water can exist in 3 states at the same time: solid, ice, liquid, water, and gas, steam. Think of it like a 3-way intersection. Each road represents a state of water. At the triple point, all 3 roads meet. So how can water boil and freeze at the same time? It sounds impossible, right? But in the fascinating world of science, this phenomenon is not only possible but also quite intriguing. This rare occurrence happens at a specific point known as the triple point. The triple point is a unique state where water can exist simultaneously in 3 phases: solid, liquid, and gas. Imagine a pot of water at the triple point. The conditions are just right, with the perfect balance of temperature and pressure. The water is boiling, turning into steam. You can see the bubbles rising and the steam escaping into the air. But at the same time, it's also freezing, forming ice. The same water molecules are simultaneously turning into solid ice. It's like a race between boiling and freezing, and they both finish at the same time. This delicate balance is a marvel of nature and science. This doesn't happen every day because the triple point requires very specific conditions. The temperature and pressure must be precisely controlled. But scientists can create these conditions in labs. By carefully adjusting the environment, they can observe and study this incredible phenomenon, gaining insights into the fundamental properties of water and other substances. Water isn't the only substance with a triple point. In fact, many other substances can exist in 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas, under specific conditions. This phenomenon isn't unique to water alone. Other substances have them too. For example, carbon dioxide can also reach a triple point, where it can be a solid, liquid, and gas simultaneously. This is a fascinating aspect of physical chemistry. This makes you wonder, could there be places in the universe where conditions are just right for other substances to exist in 3 states at once? Imagine distant planets or moons with environments so unique that they allow for these rare occurrences. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. Scientists are constantly exploring and studying these phenomena to understand the complexities of our cosmos. Who knows what incredible discoveries await us? Maybe, just maybe, somewhere out there, a substance is boiling and freezing at the same time right now. The possibilities are endless, and the quest for knowledge is never-ending.
Did you know that your furry friend can't taste sweet things? Let's find out why. So here's the scoop. Cats are unique little creatures in so many ways, and one of those quirks is their taste buds. Unlike us humans, felines are missing the genes for tasting sweetness. Yep, you heard that right. Now, cats have about 470 taste buds compared to our whopping 9,000. But the real kicker is, none of those taste buds can detect sweet flavors. Scientists believe this is because cats are obligate carnivores, which means their diet is all about the meat, baby. They don't need to crave sugary stuff to survive. This genetic twist means that while we might go gaga over a scoop of ice cream, your kitty couldn't care less. This little fact is part of what makes our feline friends so wonderfully unique. So next time you're munching on some sweets and your cat gives you that signature "I'm so above this" look, just remember, it's not personal. They literally can't taste the sugary goodness.
Did you know that cows have best friends? Yep, you heard that right. These gentle giants are far more social than you might think. So imagine this, a lush green pasture, the sun is shining, and there are cows grazing peacefully. But if you look closely, you might notice something interesting. Cows don't just graze with any cow, they have their favorites. Studies have shown that cows form strong bonds with certain individuals, much like best friends. And guess what? When cows are with their best friends, they experience less stress and are generally happier. Just like us humans, they enjoy companionship and feel more at ease with their buddies around. But it's not just about hanging out together. Cows actually have a wide range of emotions and can experience happiness, sadness, and even anxiety. When separated from their best friends, cows have been observed to show signs of distress. Their heart rates increase and they become more agitated. It's a powerful reminder of how important social bonds are in the animal kingdom. Now, let's talk about how cows communicate. They might not have smartphones, but they do have their own way of staying in touch. Cows use a variety of vocalizations and body language to communicate with each other. For instance, a gentle moo can be a greeting or a way to get attention, while a louder moo might indicate distress or a call for help. And here's something really cool. Cows have unique personalities. Some are more playful and curious, while others are shy and reserved. Farmers who work closely with cows often get to know their distinct personalities and can tell them apart just by their behavior. Speaking of farmers, did you know that cows tend to form stronger bonds when they're in smaller, more stable herds? It's true. When cows are in a consistent social group, they have more opportunities to form those deep, lasting friendships. So next time you see a group of cows, Remember that there's a lot more going on than meets the eye. These incredible animals are living rich, emotional lives, and their friendships are an essential part of their well-being.
Did you know that the world looks drastically different to other animals? While humans rely heavily on their vision, the animal kingdom boasts a stunning array of visual adaptations. Take pigeons, for example. These common birds, often dismissed as urban nuisances, possess remarkable visual acuity, far surpassing our own. They can perceive subtle details and color variations that escape our human eyes. This ability is just a glimpse into the fascinating world of animal vision. Animals have evolved unique ways of seeing the world, tailored to their specific environments and survival needs. From the infrared vision of snakes to the ultraviolet sensitivity of bees, the diversity of animal vision is a testament to the power of natural selection. Join me as we embark on a journey to explore these extraordinary adaptations and uncover how animals perceive the world around them. In the relentless struggle for survival, both predators and prey have developed extraordinary visual adaptations. Consider the snake, a stealthy hunter that relies on its infrared vision to detect the heat signatures of warm-blooded prey. This remarkable ability allows snakes to hunt even in complete darkness, striking with deadly precision. On the other hand, prey animals like horses have evolved wide-angle vision, enabling them to detect predators approaching from almost any direction. Their eyes, positioned on the sides of their heads, provide a panoramic view of their surroundings. This adaptation allows them to react quickly to potential threats, increasing their chances of survival. The constant evolutionary arms race between predators and prey has resulted in a fascinating diversity of visual adaptations. The colors we see represent only a fraction of the electromagnetic spectrum. Many animals can perceive wavelengths of light invisible to humans, opening up a world of colors beyond our imagination. Bees, for example, can see ultraviolet light, which is invisible to humans. This ability allows them to see patterns on flowers that guide them to nectar and pollen. Deep-sea fish dwelling in the depths where sunlight can barely penetrate have evolved eyes that are highly sensitive to faint light. Some species have even developed the ability to see bioluminescence, the light emitted by living organisms, which serves as a communication tool and a means of attracting prey in the pitch-black ocean depths. The diversity of animal vision is a testament to the awe-inspiring power of evolution. From the intricate compound eyes of insects to the remarkable adaptations of deep-sea creatures, the animal kingdom offers a glimpse into a world beyond our own visual experience. As we've explored the unique visual abilities of different species, we've gained a deeper appreciation for the myriad ways in which animals perceive and interact with their surroundings. Let us marvel at the wonder of vision in all its forms and continue to explore the fascinating adaptations that allow animals to thrive in a world full of visual challenges. Share this newfound knowledge with others and spread the word about the incredible ways in which animals see the world.